I was crying because I had no shoes until I met a man who had no feet. It's a very popular quote. I'm sure we all have heard this. I really want to bring the context of this quote in our daily life. Now, when I go around, when I speak to kids, when I speak to parents, when I speak to teachers, and I ask them that, what is going on, what I realize is that everybody is talking about what is not right, what is not going in the right direction, what is it that they do not have, what is it which is not in their favor, what is it which is against them, what is it which they are missing on. Rarely people talk about what is it that they have and they are thankful for. And no wonder what really happens is the same is being picked up by our kids. I really want to emphasize about the power of what we have, the power of gratitude. Now, the misery that we go through is primarily because of our focus on something that we do not have. But the magic lies when you shift your focus from what you do not have to what you really have. If you think about the quote, you realize the meaning of it. You realize the importance of having feet. You realize the importance of you being able to see. You realize the importance of you being able to communicate. You realize the importance of being able to eat, or you get to eat. We look at our kids today. Our kids are talking about what is it that they do not have, and I'm not saying that they're wrong. What I'm rather focusing on is that if we as parents, if we change our language in terms of what we have, it will have an impact on them. Now, as a practice, a lot of parents that I work with, what we do is we have set up a habit wherein after dinner, after the food is over, everybody sits on the dining table and discusses about what they are thankful for. And not a very big thing to do. Everybody contributes 2 points, right? I know this person who says that, one of the things that he constantly says after dinner is this father, he says, first of all, I'm thankful for this meal that I got, this very meal that I got, and that sets the flow for other members to participate. Now imagine this family has a culture of focusing on what is it that they have, and when I get to know more about it, they share about the positivity, the positive culture that they have in the family because of a simple ritual that they follow. I have a sincere request to all the parents out there that have an attitude of gratitude practice with your kids at home. It can be written, it can be verbal. If it is written, nothing like it, right? I personally, I maintain a diary. I write down what are the things that I'm thankful for, and daily before leaving my house, I write down a couple of things, which changes my complete focus. Now, as a parent, if you talk about what is it that you're thankful for, so is what your kids will pick up. The attitude of gratitude can set the life of your kids in a very different direction, and I'm really looking forward to you doing this with your kids. Thank you.